Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. My name is Harsh Verma and in this video I am going to introduce you about the Windows Sysinternal tools. So let's go to our computer screen and let's see. So now you can see that the Sysinternal tools are the compilation of 70 plus window based tools, which is divided into multiple categories. For example, we have file and disk utilities, some networking utilities, process utilities, example process manager or viewer, security utilities in order to harden the Windows subsystem, or we have system information gathering tools, and there are some other tools which is classified as miscellaneous tools. So in this video we are not delving into any of these processes but how to run them. Okay, so in order to download the Sysinternal tools you have to visit this website, which I'll be providing the link in the description. And now you can see that the Sysinternal utility index is officially found on the Microsoft portal, and here is the documents, official Microsoft document that you can visit in order to use the tools. We have tools like auto runs, handles, etc. Okay, list DLL, port monitor, etc, etc. But actually you don't need to download any of these in order to run it. Oh, it says that my machine has expired. No issue, that's a no-goner. Let me close this machine first, terminate this machine. Okay, so we were at installing the Sysinternal tool. The Sysinternal tool is a basically zip file which can be extracted and used directly over. But in order to run it, we have to set its path in our environment variable, which I will be showing in an upcoming video. Here, I'm going to demonstrate how we can use these tools without installing any single stuff in our computer. So first we have to run a service which is known as web client in order to fetch the web data which is available on the live environment by Microsoft. So first we have to run the command get service space web client. So let me switch to PowerShell. This is my PowerShell, and we have to write get -service. We can press tab, get -service web client. If you write webc and then press tab, it will auto complete it, and press enter. Now you can see that the web client service is currently stopped. So we have to start this service, and how we can do that? We have to write start service -web client. Okay, let's quickly do that. Start -service web client, and we have to press tab and enter, and it says that the web client service cannot be started because we are not using an administrative mode. So let's quickly copy this and open an administrative window, which will be opened as by clicking the right button, right clicking it, and run as administrator. Now we are running is at administrator, and if I press enter now, this service must have been started. Let me review that by going to the get service command again, and now you can see that the service itself is running. Now in order to generate some sysmon tools, we have to go back to that TryHackMe website, and now we have to run a command which is where it is live.sysinternals.com. Let me search for it, live.sysinternals.com. Here the syntax is /live.sysinternals.com/tool/procmon.exe. Procmon, which stands for process monitor, is one of the tools available in the sysmon. Okay, so in order to just launch these tools, we have to copy this, go to our PowerShell and run this and enter. This window will spawn in few seconds, so we just have to wait that, because first it will download that utility, then run it on our computer, and then it will show that what processes are running in our computer, which is usual task of the procmon. So we will wait for a few seconds until it spawn. Okay, let me have a look over taskbar whether it is spawned yet or not. No, still not. Yes, you can see that the program initialization has been finished, and somewhere the service must be spawning. Yes, So if I run this and make changes in our device, now you can see the dozens of processes that is running in my computer. And actually we do have a count. You can see that there is around 60,000 events are currently happening in my, and nothing, no procmon etc is installed in my system. So you can see that you can run, and you can get a list of such utilities on the just previously mentioned website, which is Sysinternal process. Currently we are running the procmon, which can be found here. Where is procmon? Actually this is portmon. It is one of the security utility. No, system information, proc features, miscellaneous, procmon. Let me control F that. Process utilities, procmon, portmon, proc dump.